A basic author is someone who can be attributed as an author for a blog post, gallery image, event, or track on your site. However, a basic author does not have permission to log in or edit content on your site. In the Home menu, click Settings, and then click Permissions. Click the Add Basic Author button. Add a display name for your basic author. This is the name that will display wherever the names of authors display on your site. You can also upload an avatar image and add a Google+ profile URL to enable Google Author Rank. Click the Bio tab to add additional information about your basic author. Under the Location tab, you can enter a physical location for your author. When you are finished adding all of the information for your basic author, click Save. Authors can then be added in the Options tab of the Gallery Image Editor and Track Editor, and Blog Post Editor and Event Editor. If you want to remove a basic author, click the basic author in your Permissions area. Then click Remove Author. You'll then need to select an author to replace the author you are removing where the removed author is currently attributed. Let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.